So many things affect our sleep. Our diet, exercise, the temperature of our room, it's a lot. But one thing we may not think about that affects our sleep, our genetics. Hey y'all, I am Martin here from Mattress Clarity, and today I want to talk about the way that our genetics affects our sleep. We're going to talk about sleep quality, sleep length, sleep disorders, and a lot more. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
So first off, genetics can impact the amount of sleep that we actually need. Now, in general, the recommended amount of sleep for adults is between 7 to 9 hours. But if you're sleep deprived, you can have physical problems like heart conditions, stroke, and diabetes, or also mental issues like depression and anxiety. But while some studies have shown that our genetics can impact our sleep by just a few minutes, other studies have shown more extreme results. For example, one group of researchers found a few genetic mutations that causes what's called natural short sleep. Many of their test subjects, especially those with a gene mutation called ADRB1, only required 4 to 6 hours of sleep per night. And they felt completely rested, and researchers still found they were getting good quality sleep. Plus, there's another rarer gene mutation called NPSR1 that causes natural short sleep. But subjects had none of the memory issues associated with sleep deprivation. But if you're only getting 4 to 6 hours of sleep per night, it's generally not the best. I would talk to your doctor. Also, your genes can affect whether you're more of a morning lark or a night owl. Studies have shown that genes can impact the speed of our internal clocks. It could run faster or slower depending on your heritage. One study found 351 genetic loci tied to morningness, or being an early bird. Those with the most gene variants woke up an average of 25 minutes earlier than those who carried the least amount of these gene variants. These gene variants were found to be connected to our circadian rhythm, or our internal body clock. Some were found in the brain and some were found in the eye. And this is interesting when we think about the way light impacts our wakefulness and sleepiness. Now, of course, we can't forget behavioral and environmental factors here as well. Our climate, our home life, economics, all can impact the quality of our sleep. But some studies have shown that our genetics can impact our overall sleep quality. Genetics have been tied to 6 or 7 areas of sleep quality, including subjective sleep quality, how good we think our sleep is, sleep latency, how long it takes to fall asleep, sleep duration, sleep disturbances, and daytime dysfunction. And let's not forget about sleep disorders. There are genetic causes linked to many sleep disorders. Those include narcolepsy, restless leg syndrome, insomnia, and a higher chance of obstructive sleep apnea. But we really can't control our genetics, so what are we supposed to do here? Well, the one thing you can control is your sleep environment. First off, keep your room cool, dark, and quiet, and keep technology out of your bedroom. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and also TVs and laptops all can have a negative impact on your sleep. Also, stay away from alcohol and caffeine, especially closer to bedtime. Exercise can also help you get deeper, more restorative sleep. And lastly, try to go to bed and wake up the same time every day. But if none of this works, definitely talk to your doctor and also possibly a sleep specialist. For example, I had terrible sleep a few years ago. I went and got tested. Turned out I had a horrible case of sleep apnea. So talk to a doctor if your sleep quality is not the best. But that's about it. If you want more info on this subject or all things sleep, head over to mattressclarity.com for the full written articles and some great money-saving coupons. We'll see you next time.